Imagine a world where genetic diseases are a thing of the past, where crops can thrive in any climate, and even our own aging process is slowed down. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's the rapidly approaching future of genetic engineering. Welcome. Today, we're diving into the incredible, and sometimes challenging, future of genetic engineering. We'll explore its revolutionary applications across health, agriculture, and the environment, alongside the big ethical questions they raise. At the forefront is gene editing, particularly CRISPR-Cas9. This revolutionary tool allows us to precisely cut and paste DNA, correcting genetic mutations responsible for devastating diseases like sickle cell anemia and cystic fibrosis. Clinical trials are already showing promising results, potentially offering one-time cures instead of lifelong treatments. It's personalized medicine taken to an entirely new level, tackling ailments from Huntington's to certain cancers. Beyond medicine, genetic engineering is poised to transform agriculture. Scientists are engineering crops to be more resilient to pests, droughts, and extreme climates, ensuring food security for a growing global population. Imagine nutrient-dense crops that require less water and pesticides. We're also seeing its potential in environmental conservation, from developing bacteria that clean up oil spills to even speculative discussions about de-extinction bringing back species like the woolly mammoth. However, this incredible power comes with profound ethical considerations. The concept of designer babies and altering human germline cells sparks intense debate about fairness, accessibility, and potential unintended consequences on human diversity. Who decides what traits are improved? Ensuring equitable access to these technologies and preventing a new form of genetic inequality will be crucial. This isn't just about science, it's about society's values and future. The future of genetic engineering is undeniably bright with the promise of eradicating disease, feeding the world, and even repairing our planet. Yet, it demands careful thought, global cooperation, and robust ethical frameworks. What do you think about humanity shaping its own future? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into tomorrow's breakthroughs.